Carolyn, are you ready to see what's inside this box?
I know what it is.
What do you think it is?
Baby alive.
How long have you been waiting for this?
A million years.
A million years? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think she's going to look like?
With yellow hair with the stuff it comes with.
What color hair?
Yellow.
Yellow hair. And what's the first thing you're going to do when you see her?
There's just to play with her and feed her.
Really? Okay, are you ready? Okay, go.
I'm gonna keep right here, Mommy.
Open it up. Let's see.
And you just don't wait here.
Charlie, hold the box.
This is
Wow.
big rock. Look, it comes with diapers.
Do you like it?
Open it.
What do you think her name is?
That's Sarah.
Sarah? What do you want to call her?
Lucy.
Lucy?
I changed my mind because you said that.
Lucy's a beautiful name.
And that's... Mommy, see that pink thing that's the finger? Oh, it comes up the plate.
Yeah?
Oh, that's where you roll it, then you tap it.
Do you like it with yellow hair?
Yeah. Up in.
All right.